Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to cover about how to install or add the Bootstrap to your React.js app. Okay, so guys, now let's get started with this. So as you saw all these things in previous video, so let me just close everything over here. And now guys, I want to install an app, Bootstrap. So let's install the Bootstrap. So there are two options on it. So one is like you can use the normal getbootstrap.com to install in your React.js, and one more is like a React Bootstrap. So I'll just show you that React Bootstrap also. So let's hit enter, and there's React Bootstrap over here. So let me click on it. So this is one React Bootstrap. So what is the difference in this actually? So this is like basic Bootstrap which we use it. So in everyone uses this, and for the React special Bootstrap you are getting with something else. So let's get started with this React and React Bootstrap. Okay, so guys, just move to this component, and inside this I have selected the navbar, where you can see that this is the code for implementing the navbar. Okay, so this is the React Bootstrap navbar. So when you go to your normal Bootstrap, there will be one small difference about it. So here you call with the div tag and calling the things. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so navbar is just nav, and your div tags and your buttons directly you are including with the HTML. So over here you are making each component of it. So navbar component is there, then toggle component, collapse component, everything works on component. So you have to add this into your headers. So this will be like little complicated things, but we will cover up in sooner videos about this, how to use this React Bootstrap in your JS. So in this video we are going to install and work with this normal Bootstrap. So getbootstrap.com. So let us click on home page, and you can see that installation process. So where you can see this npm install bootstrap next. So let's copy this command and go back to your editor, and over here let's open your terminal, and you can just open with over here only. So you can see the terminal and just click on new terminal, and then you can move on with it. So guys, now I'm going to give that command for Bootstrap. So right now I'll just show you over here package.json. There is nothing called Bootstrap in this dependency. So as you can see it. So let me just paste this, and now let's give enter and then install it. So guys, it will take few minutes to install that. So let me just make it top, and you can see that the installation process. Okay, so now still here. So let's just wait for a few minutes, one more. Okay, so okay, it's almost done, and one package added from the contributor. Okay, so let's just wait for the final installation, Bootstrap 5.0 beta 1. Okay, so let's just wait for the finishing of it. Okay, so guys, finally it has been downloaded. So now let us just minimize this terminal, and you can see that the new line which has added in your package.json file. Now we have to include this file into your directory, and let's test with that. So let me close this, and now guys, let's get started with it. So guys, now let us see that the Bootstrap is present or not into this. Okay, so let's open this node module and just scroll it down, where you can find with BOOT. Okay, so these are there, but Bootstrap is not there. So for that, let's refresh this and let's check with that. Cool. So Bootstrap is come over here, right? So let us just see over here Bootstrap, dist and CSS, then the Bootstrap files are available into this. Okay, so guys, you are going to call this bootstrap.min.css file. So as you remember, Bootstrap dist CSS and Bootstrap min.css. Okay, so we have to include this. So guys, now let's go to our src folder and index.js file. So this is the main page where you are going to include all your things into your app, and this app is called into your index.js, as you can see over here. Okay, so guys, now let us include it. So let me just right now we don't require this, so but then too we will just ignore that and we'll keep it over here. So let's import that Bootstrap. So let us type, guys. So there are many methods of printing this. So let's import, and then you can start with the single quotes, and inside that single quote you are call the path. Okay, so as you can see, it's in the node module folder. You can call the node module folder also, but we don't require it because this is React will import directly. So as for that, let's start with bootstrap /dist /css / your bootstrap min.css file. Okay, so you have to call this path as you can see over here. So let us just confirm with that. Let me just scroll it down. Okay, where is it? Here, bootstrap distinct where css and bootstrap min.css. So let me just click on it. If you want the path of it, you don't remember, means you can just copy this path, where you can just right click or else move on with it. Okay, here let's scroll it and copy path. Okay, so let's give copy path, and let me close this, and just I'll paste it now over here. So to show the demo, so let's paste this. Okay, so this is the path right now you're getting. So you can copy it directly from here, from the node module, and whatever is there, just remove that and add into your this folder. Okay, I mean this path. So let's save it, and the thing you have to change with that forward slash. Okay, so not backslash. And this node module we do not require, so you can just remove it and save the file. And now guys, we have to include the bootstrap.bundle.css, okay, JS file. So as I will just show you in the documentation of this get bootstrap, when we get started, you can see that one is the CSS file that we have included now, and then one more is the JS file. So in this bundle.min.js file, which is already the bootstrap and the popper is included and made into bundle. Okay, so if you want the separate thing, you can push on with this popper and bootstrap min.css. So guys, now what we'll do, we'll just use this bootstrap bundle.css. okay, I mean JS. So let's get back and import once again and call this as min.css, and instead of bootstrap you will just tell bundle, bundle. Okay, so if you want to find this path, let's go to the bootstrap. So let me just move on with the node modules. So where is it? Okay, this is the bootstrap, right? And yep, so let's minimize this, let's open this JS, and you can see the bundle.min.js. so let us scroll this. Over here you can find that bundle.min.js file. So let me copy the path and import the class. So guys, why I'm copying this bundle.min.js, I will just show you the demo also for it. So let's paste the path over here and take what the things are required. So let's Control X and remove this, and now let's include that over here, paste, and let's change this as forward slash and then forward slash. Now guys, it is set, and now to test we will move on with the app.js file. So let me just go to app.js, and here is our something code of old thing. So let me just make sure we are getting start with this npm start, and let's click on it. Your development server will be started. Okay, so it's compiled successfully, and now let's see the output. So guys, this is the output right now I'm getting. So we'll just remove all this and start with the bootstrap one. So for example, we will choose with the navbar. Okay, so navbar and one button. Okay, so we will get started with choosing the button. Okay, so guys, as you know, bootstrap button things on all is present, so I'll just show you directly demo. So guys, now we will remove the things from here. So I just don't want this app.css, so let me remove, and now guys, we will remove this data from here. So I don't require this, just remove that, and let's tell container, and inside this container I am going to design one button. So let me just move on with one button, simple design. So let's open this, open button and close, and now here I'll just type click me. Okay, so let's save this, and we don't require this, so let's remove this also. Just give import react from colon, where I'll just call the react. That's it. And now guys, let's save this, and now you can see on your output. Let's refresh. It's taking a bit time. Okay, so guys, there is nothing over here. So why it is, let's see on it. Okay, so I didn't save the file, so for that sake it was not showing the output. So guys, you can see that click me, it's over here. So this is the basic comment button. Okay, so guys, I want to add a bootstrap, so let me just show you the class where into this single, so it is not going to take a HTML class attribute, so we have to assign this because this class is already taken by React JavaScript thing. So we can have to define with the class under class capital NAME, then name. So now over here button where I am going to use primary. Let's save this, Control S, and you're compiled successfully. And let's see over here, you can see this green color, I mean blue color. So this is a primary for the Bootstrap. So now guys, same way you are going to install, I mean just check with the one more output. Oops, in this the HTML div tags are not getting moved on. Okay, so let me just paste with that, and over here I am going to use one simple card of Bootstrap. So let me just type with card, and now let us copy this and paste one more thing, which will be card hyphen body, and inside this I am going to call this button. So let's see the final output of that. Save, and let's get back over here and let's refresh. So you can see some card design, right? So that's it. And now let me just show you with one more sample called shadow, so you can finally clarify with that. Okay, so you can see all the Bootstrap is installed successfully. So guys, this is how we install the Bootstrap into the React app. So guys, in this video that's it, and we'll be moving with the next part where we are going to start with the website designing development. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.